In this video, I will demonstrate how to make a simple cabbage salad. First, the cabbage. I like to cut it in half. Be careful. Okay. Take the root and cut it out like that. Okay. And then cut this in half. And then you want to shred it really fine. Done shredding the cabbage. It's going to look like this. You want to add the garlic. Now, a little trick that you can do so the garlic can peel easier is take the knife, put it on top, and crush it. It peels much easier that way. And take your, put it in. And again, use as much garlic as you like. And want to add salt. Again, to taste. Vinegar. I like a lot of vinegar. And olive oil. Mix well. It's a very simple recipe, but it's actually very tasty and really good for you.